I just discovered a hidden niche that can help you go viral on YouTube Shorts in the least amount of time possible. Here's a channel in this niche that has grown to over 575,000 subscribers and gets over 8 million views every single month just by posting very simple YouTube Shorts about random facts. Let's take a look at one of their videos.
Never do this before bed. Random facts. Laptop batteries can last longer if you charge them only up to 80% instead of the full 100%.
Facts videos are a very popular category on YouTube, making this an evergreen niche, meaning that its popularity does not fluctuate with trends. This also means, however, that there is relatively high competition in the niche. That's why today I'm going to show you how to create fact videos very easily and very quickly using one simple AI tool so that you can also stand out from the competition and grow your own YouTube Shorts channel. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Let's start by finding the right ideas for shorts in this niche. The easiest way to do this is to look at a few reference channels in your niche to see which topics are performing well for them. Simply go to the reference channel and filter out their results by the most popular. Now this gives you a good idea of what is in trend. If we look at our reference channel, Brain Blood, we can see that random facts do really well for them. Now with that in mind, head on over to ChatGPT and give it this prompt. Create 20 video ideas in this format. Weirdest, scariest, unknown X facts not many people know about, where X represents any type of facts such as history facts, human facts, etc. Write 5 facts that will be used for each idea. Now 20 is just an arbitrary number that I've chosen. You can go ahead and ask for as many ideas as you want. This one sounds like an interesting idea, so I'm going to go ahead with this one. Now with the idea chosen, it's time to start creating your videos. For this, I have found an AI tool that can give you a publish-ready YouTube video with just a simple text prompt without you ever having to edit your videos. And that tool is InVideo AI. I logged into my account on ai.invideo.io and then now I'm going to use the prompt box here to give the AI my prompt. Now just as with any AI tool, the magic lies in how well you prompt it. The template I use gives the AI the length and the topic of my shorts plus my voiceover settings. I like to keep it simple and always put the length slightly longer than the actual length I want for the final short, and you'll see why later. I copied the whole video topic with all the listed facts for this short from ChatGPT, and this is the prompt I'm writing. Create a 50-second YouTube short about, and here I will paste the paragraph from ChatGPT. Now just add American male voiceover and simple script. I wanted to make a script with simple language so that there won't be a language barrier. Now once you press enter, InVideo AI will take a few seconds and ask you to choose your audience and the look and feel you want for your video. I will choose curious for the audience and I want the look and feel to be crisp. Now when you click on continue, InVideo will take a few minutes to generate the first draft, and let's go check it out.
Did you know? We humans shed approximately 600,000 particles of skin per hour. That's about 1.5 pounds every year. And our noses? They're scent champions, capable of recalling a...
How great does that look? In just 5 minutes, InVideo AI has given us a full-fledged video complete with the right script, music, hyper-relevant stock media, and a voiceover. I can choose to publish this as is and it will still be better than 90% of the content out there. But I think we can make a few changes and make it look even better. And we can do this very easily using this prompt box under the canvas and just give the AI additional prompts for the changes we want. For example, you can type remove background music if you want to add your own music to the short. Or maybe you can type use simpler words in the script if you think the script should be simplified. You can also type remove captions if you think you don't need them. Actually, let's go ahead and see how the video looks without them.
Of skin per hour. That's about 1.5 pounds every year. Our nose can remember around 50,000 different smells.
I think it looks better with the captions. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this undo button. Easy as that. And you can literally use this prompt box to make any changes you want to the video. Okay, let's take a preview.
Did you know? We humans shed approximately 600,000 particles of skin per hour. That's about 1.5.
That looks great. Now, in case you want to make specific changes to your video, like changing a part of the script or changing a particular clip, you can do that using the edit option under the canvas. I'm going to make a few changes to the script. So I will go to edit and then click on edit script. And then I'm going to delete the outro from the script. That cuts substantial length from the short, which is why initially in the prompt, I had asked the AI to make it longer. I will also change a few sentences and make them connect better. And then I'm going to hit apply. Let's go ahead and check how it looks.
Did you know we humans shed approximately 600,000 particles of skin per hour? That's about 1.5 pounds every year. Our nose can remember around 5,000 different smells.
Lovely. But I think we need to change some of the stock clips as well. Again, you can do this by clicking on Edit and then going to the Edit Media tab. For example, I want to replace this stock video with some stomach illustrations. And to do that, I can either upload my own footage or I can search the stock library for additional photos and clips. Once I have the clip that I want, I will simply click on it and it will get placed on top of the original, meaning that it has been replaced. Then I'm going to hit apply, and now let's go ahead and take a look at the final results.
Nose can remember around 50,000 different smells. Every 2 weeks, our stomach lining bravely produces a new layer of mucus, saving itself from self-digestion. The strongest muscle is masseter, chewing muscle. Finally, we're the only animals that shed tears of crying emotion.
That looks awesome. And with that, our video is done. Once you're satisfied with the results, just go ahead and click export and choose your parameters. Please note that the watermarks get removed in the final export if you're on the paid plan. If you're starting a brand new channel, you will need to publish very regularly to gain traction. And that is where InVideo AI can really help you because it allows you to create shorts in less than 5 minutes. Of course, this requires a paid subscription, but at just $20 a month, that is a no-brainer, especially given that you can create high-quality videos with simple prompts, get access to premium stock media, and even clone your own voice in seconds. So go ahead, create your own shorts channel, start uploading these videos, and don't forget to check out this video next to see how we blew up a YouTube short channel in 30 days using InVideo.